Hi, in this video we will create the last chart of the incident report dashboard affected body part by job type, this one over here. This video is part of a series. You can watch the ones you find interesting, but I recommend you to watch the introduction and the video where we create the select card, where we do all the manipulation to get the data the way we need for all the charts. So to start, I'm going to create a new card below the select and select group by. What we need to do is to count how many incidents happened by affected body and job type. So to count, we can start with body part. We drag the body part column to select value and select count. And we want to group by body part and job type. So I'm going to drag the column job type from the select to the group by key. And I'm going to sort ascending by body part and job type so that both are sorted alphabetically in the resulting dashboard. And now I'm going to give it a title by holding a command or a control key and double clicking. I'm going to create a new card of type chart below the group by and drag body part count to chart value placeholder. And it's going to be by job type first, so this one is going to be on the left and body part second. If you switch the order, it's going to be the other way around in the resulting chart. By default, it selects a stack bar chart, which is good enough maybe, but we want to select the Sankey chart type. And now we have the chart the way we want. Let's give it a descriptive title. I'm going to copy it from the result dashboard, double click here, paste, hit enter. And now we have the chart the way we want. The next video will cover how to assemble all the dashboards, all the charts we did until now into a dashboard and how to share it. So I recommend you to check that one too. Bye.